writing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And on your website for your company, I was struck by just the idea that trying to find a balance between, as writers, we all know the solitude, right? Mm-hmm. But you're trying to find a balance between, you said, a carryover from a great writing conference where you just don't want it to end. How the social aspect, and even if it's just kind of one-on-one, me as a writer, you a developmental editor, or writing groups or whatever, the social aspect in kind of as a complement to the individual part. Can you talk about the social side of it and how it's worked not only for you as a writer, but also you as kind of leading that social side of it?
Yes. So I love the group. This is what I could talk about for the next 4 hours.
Oh, good.
Talk
fast.
Time to get back. So this, the writing group, exactly what you said. So if you go to a conference, you make friends there, right? And you're kind of in this chummy world. Hey, we buddied up because we were in the same workshop together. Oh, now it's lunchtime and we're chit-chatting. And what are you working on? Oh, I'm working on this. Oh, you're getting ready to pitch that agent, and so on and so forth. And you're just like, oh, I'm in my world. And then break and we all leave the conference.
Yes.
And then it's like, well, we swapped email addresses, but I don't know what to reach out to you for. Like, am I now your leader telling you, let's read an article? So it's kind of nice to just stay at the conference. So myself and my business partner, Valerie, we kind of built where, the jammies of your own home, because everything's online. You come to workshops, you come to writing sprints. We do have author mingle time or writer mingle times where we just get to chit chat as if we were at lunch. We do celebrations. We have guest speakers, and we have game night. No. So we have interactive workshops because as an editor, I'll give people feedback. And then sometimes their biggest question is, I don't know how to implement the feedback. Like, I know what show and tell is, but I don't actually now know how to do it in my work. I can see it in your work and in that published work, but I don't know how to do it in my work. So we have game night where we work with that, and then we have an editing call where, okay, you guys kind of were working on this, so we're going to choose 3 people who submitted to us. We're looking for just one thing because the whole month is just wrapped around one topic. So I don't know why I'm on show and tell today. But let's pretend that was the whole month. We would have done a teaching call, guest speakers talk about it, game night, and now it's editing night. So you've had fun time working with it, meeting up with others in the group. But yeah, our members, they're like, I have learned more in your group than any conference, that they had attended. So I was like, oh, that's really nice. And the price for what you get in 1 month really is like, how many conferences can you physically go to? There's hotel involved, there's restaurants involved. Maybe you can do it once a year because it's a really fun thing to do, but does once a year always get you everything you want? Because sometimes it is like, gosh, we really connected. I wish we could hang out more. But like I said, which one of us says, let's read this article or whatever? It's easier to be like, well, Kate and Valerie said, read this, check out this. Now have a talk about it.